our new EV Hustler. Hear it coming. Barely. The Hustler is used to tow around various pieces of cargo and equipment. This was a Department of Ecology grant, so we had a lot older Tier 0 emissions vehicle like it, and we ended up taking that one and turning it in for destruction, and we ended up getting an 80% grant for this one. This is a way for us to get started and basically test if they're going to work for our operation.
The Port of Tacoma does have a goal of 2040 in terms of reducing our emissions down to zero. So the port's investments in EV infrastructure and the EV fleet is critical to our shared vision of sustainability.
From what the guys are saying, they like it because they jump in this one now and the heat's on demand. They don't have to wait for it to warm up like we did with the diesels and stuff like that. Everything, as soon as they turn the switch on, is ready to go.
Even though it is a small slice of, what we have going on here at the port, it is a really important first step. We care about our emission goals, and we're willing to test out equipment and make sure it works.